Welcome to Coffee Table. After a short commercial break, we are in conversation with Mr. Anand. So, well, we were talking about your collections, we're talking about the people who have inspired you, talking about your experience. When we see your work, you have worked with so many celebrities. Okay, that is a big thing which we fantasize. So, who are those celebrities you have designed for, you have worked for?
To name a few, I've worked with people like Sandra Stone.
Okay.
Okay. Naomi Harris, the heroine of Skyfall.
Skyfall.
I've worked with some royal family people, British royal family people. I am not at liberty to name them, but yes, I have worked with some of the top people from Buckingham Palace.
Very nice.
Okay, then I have worked with some of the top models in UK, especially for their weddings when they married the top footballers and things like that. So I did work a lot with a lot of celebrities. I also worked with some Indian Bollywood people, but I would not like to mention too much because instead of my creative focus, I had to put off with a lot of attitude type of affairs, which I didn't enjoy, which I don't enjoy, because then removes my focus from my creativity.
Okay.
Right.
So, well, a lot of big names in your field. So, one thing that we would like to ask Anand sir, is Anand sir superstitious?
Of snakes.
Okay.
Of snakes. The reason is it's very surprising whether you believe me or not. Sometime back there was a dream where some black snakes came, surrounded me and stood and did something blah blah blah. All right. And after that I asked my friends, who know about all those things. So everyone came with a different version. But I became very ill. I was in ICU for a while.
Okay.
I came out of ICU, and after some time, I saw green snakes. I went back to ICU a few days later.
Okay.
So somehow this has set into me, and this has happened in the last 6 months.
So now we are out of it.
Till the time snakes don't come in my dreams.
Okay, we hope no more snakes
I
come in
hope
your
to.
dreams.
I hope to.
Yes, that may be because you've seen a lot of Nagins in your field.
No, they were not Nagins. They were pretty women.
Okay, so there are a lot of pretty women in the field. You follow a very beautiful motto in your life. You follow a simple rule that leads to great success in your life. So if you can share that motto or that rule that you follow.
I am honest to myself. I don't care whether you think I am honest or not. Till the time I can look myself in the mirror, when I am doing a work for a client, what I feel, I don't see the commercial thing. I see this client has put her faith in me.
Yes.
All right. Whether I am living with that faith. She wants something. Forget the commercial angle. Commercial angle is till the time the client comes to me. But beyond that, what? She has put her faith. If I don't do the justice, whether she knows it or not, I will be cheating her directly or indirectly. Will that go unpunished by God? Or ethically, is it correct? So I follow my ethics, my conscience, and after initial this thing, I forget the commercial part, and which is why my son gets very angry with me. All right, he says I don't know how to do business, but that's true.
We also have heard that you have very few collections being released in a year.
See, I choose. These days I choose. Before it was different. These days I choose. If someone comes, some very rich girl comes but she has no taste, and she has attitude of her father's money or something. I would rather not do that, because the day she wears my gown or my dress or my lehenga, people are going to ask her who has done this. So my name is involved there. All right. So today I am very conscious of my image. Beyond a certain point, I don't want to hurt my image. So I am choosy about my work. I would not say I am doing less work, because I have to survive also. I have to pay my labor also.
Yes.
All right.
So in a year you have 5 to 6 collections or designs.
In number of clothes, it would be about 50 to 60.
Okay. We are also launching a very premium product to Mangalore, which we have discussed about in our last episode also. So the one that you are holding.
Yes, I have started a home line, all right, a very premium home line that you will not find anywhere else. Plus, I will not produce more than 70 to 80 pieces of the single design.
Okay.
All right, I don't want it to be in every household. It will only be with select people. It will be a premium product. This is something that I am going to launch in Bombay by end of February, and also in Bangalore simultaneously.
Okay. So very soon in Mangalore we're going to have a very premium design being launched, and I'm sure I would hope to be one of those persons to put my hands on those premium products. Now, to all those designers who would like to make a big name in the industry, or do something like they do something to come on a show as well, maybe. So to all those designers with ambitions in them, with those dreams in them, what is one message that you would like to give them?
See, today's time, the kids are so smart. Probably they can give us message rather than we give them message. All right. During my time, I would not sit in front of my father. Today, my son puts his arm around my shoulder and says, "Dad, let's have a drink." All right. So what message can I give these people? They have an attitude, they live by it, they love by it. All right, it's their life. For me to give them a sermon or something doesn't really help.
Okay.
So I would not tell them anything. I would say it's better you fall and learn like we did. All right. And then you will really ripen up once you are 35, 40 then.
Okay. So well, that's a very wise message given through our show from Anand sir. So even though you have a very busy schedule, you've come to our show, and then you're also planning to come to Mangalore. And also other point is, you said you love Mangalore. So we love you more. Thank you so much for making it to our show, that is Coffee Table. And in the future we would like to see your designs come in our show as well, and also to Mangalore. Thank you once again, sir. And we have a rule as well in our show, that is every person who comes to a show gets a very premium product from Anand Ji Kuthur. Today the creator himself is here, and we are very honored to present your own design back to you from our side, from Coffee Table.
Thank you very much.
Thank you once again for coming here and being a part of the show, and that pillow in your hand right there with all its beautiful details is yours.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Well, Coffee Table had Mr. Anand Ji from Anand Ji Kuthur coming here and talking about his experience working internationally, and also his reason to come back to India. In the next episodes, we'll have some more people coming here and talking about their life as well. Thank you for watching the show. Let's meet in the next episode.